We live in a world awash in data. Every click, purchase, and interaction generates a piece of information. For businesses and organizations, this presents an unprecedented opportunity. Data is the lifeblood of informed decision-making. It allows us to understand the past, navigate the present, and, crucially, predict the future. Ignoring the power of data is no longer an option. Those who can effectively acquire, interpret, and leverage data gain a significant competitive advantage. This essay will serve as a guide to navigating the complex world of data, starting with the fundamental principles of data acquisition. From understanding the various sources of data to employing best practices in its collection, we will delve into the essential elements of building a strong data foundation. Remember, the journey to data-driven success begins with acquiring the right information in the right way. Let's embark on this journey together. Data is everywhere, waiting to be discovered and utilized. Understanding the diverse sources of data is the first step in effective acquisition. Broadly, we can categorize data sources into two main types: internal and external. Internal data resides within your organization. This could include customer relationship management systems, sales records, website analytics, and marketing campaign data. It's readily accessible and often provides valuable insights into your own operations and customer behavior. External data, on the other hand, comes from sources outside your organization. This could encompass government databases, market research reports, social media trends, and information gathered from sensors and Internet of Things devices. External data offers a broader perspective, allowing you to benchmark your performance and understand the wider market landscape. Choosing the right data sources depends on your specific objectives. Clearly defining your goals will guide your data acquisition strategy and ensure you're collecting information that is relevant and valuable. Acquiring data is not simply about gathering as much as possible. It's about collecting the right data and ensuring its quality. Employing best practices is essential to create a solid foundation for data analysis and decision-making. First and foremost, data acquisition must be driven by a clear purpose. Define your objectives, identify the specific questions you need to answer, and then determine the data points required to address them. This targeted approach prevents the accumulation of irrelevant data. Data quality is paramount. Implement processes to ensure accuracy, completeness, and consistency. Validate data at the point of entry and establish data governance policies to maintain standards over time. Remember, flawed data leads to flawed insights. Automation can streamline the acquisition process and reduce the risk of human error. Explore tools and technologies that automate data collection from various sources while maintaining data integrity. Finally, always prioritize data security and privacy. Implement robust security measures to protect sensitive information and comply with relevant data protection regulations. Not all data is created equal. Some datasets are brimming with potential insights, while others are riddled with errors and inconsistencies. Evaluating data quality is crucial for making informed decisions. Use this checklist to separate the valuable from the useless. Good data, accurate data points are error-free and reflect real-world values. Complete, no data points are missing, and the dataset provides a comprehensive view. Consistent data is formatted uniformly, and terminology is used consistently. Timely, data is up to date and relevant to the current time frame. Relevant data directly addresses the questions you're trying to answer. Bad data, inaccurate, contains errors, typos, or unrealistic values. Incomplete, missing data points create gaps and limit analysis. Inconsistent, varied formatting and inconsistent terminology make comparisons difficult. Outdated data is old and no longer reflects the current situation. Irrelevant. Data is not applicable to the specific problem or question. Remember, using bad data can lead to misguided decisions and wasted resources. Always scrutinize your data before using it for analysis or decision-making. The internet is a treasure trove of data, and websites in particular offer a wealth of information. However, acquiring data from websites requires careful consideration of ethical implications and legal boundaries. Web scraping, the automated process of extracting data from websites, is a common technique. While it can be a powerful tool, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Always check a website's terms of service and robots.txt file to determine what data you are permitted to access and how you are allowed to use it. Respecting website owners' intellectual property rights is paramount. Avoid scraping copyrighted content or using extracted data in a way that violates these rights. Additionally, be mindful of user privacy. If you are collecting personal information, obtain explicit consent and handle the data responsibly. Transparency is key. Be upfront about your data collection practices. Clearly state your purpose and how you intend to use the data. Building trust with website owners and users is essential for ethical and sustainable web data acquisition. Section 6. Understanding data usability, features, and the challenge of instability. Data, in its raw form, can be overwhelming and difficult to interpret. Understanding the characteristics of data, its usability, and potential limitations is essential for effective analysis. Data usability refers to how easily data can be accessed, understood, and applied. Well-structured data, organized in a clear and logical manner, is highly usable. Conversely, unstructured data, like free-form text or social media posts, requires more processing and interpretation. Data features are the individual characteristics or attributes that describe each data point. For example, in a customer data set, features might include age, location, purchase history, and website browsing behavior. Identifying relevant features is key to building accurate models and deriving meaningful insights. Data instability refers to the tendency of data to change over time. Customer preferences shift, market trends evolve, and new information emerges. This dynamic nature of data presents a challenge, requiring ongoing data updates and adjustments to analytical models. Section 7. Giving data a second life. The importance of reprocessing. Data reprocessing involves cleaning, transforming, and enriching raw data to improve its quality and usability for analysis. It's an essential step in the data lifecycle, ensuring that data is accurate, consistent, and ready for interpretation. Data cleansing focuses on identifying and correcting errors. This could include handling missing values, removing duplicates, or correcting inconsistencies in formatting. Data transformation involves converting data into a suitable format for analysis. This might involve aggregating data, creating new variables, or scaling data to a specific range. Data enrichment involves adding value to existing data by incorporating external sources. This could include appending demographic information, geographic data, or social media sentiment to enrich customer profiles. Data reprocessing is an iterative process. As new data is acquired, it needs to be integrated with existing data sets, requiring further cleaning, transformation, and enrichment. Section 8. Deciphering the data code. Methods and processes for effective interpretation. Data interpretation is the process of extracting meaning and insights from data. It involves identifying patterns, trends, and relationships to answer specific questions or solve business problems. Numerous methods and techniques are employed in data interpretation, ranging from basic descriptive statistics to advanced machine learning algorithms. Descriptive statistics, such as mean, median, and mode, provide a general overview of the data. Data visualization tools like charts and graphs help to identify trends and patterns visually. Inferential statistics allow us to make predictions and generalizations about a larger population based on a sample of data. Machine learning algorithms can uncover complex relationships and patterns, enabling predictive modeling and automated decision-making. The choice of interpretation method depends on the specific objectives, the nature of the data, and the desired level of sophistication. Section 9. Presenting insights. Visualizing data with Tableau. Data, even when interpreted, can be difficult to grasp in its raw form. Data visualization tools like Tableau bridge this gap by transforming complex datasets into easily understandable visuals. Tableau is a powerful yet user-friendly platform for creating interactive dashboards, charts, and maps. It allows you to connect to various data sources, explore data dynamically, and communicate insights effectively. With Tableau, you can create a wide range of visualizations, from simple bar charts and line graphs to sophisticated heat maps and scatter plots. Interactive features like filters and drill downs allow users to explore data at different levels of granularity. By presenting data visually, Tableau makes it easier to identify trends, spot outliers, and communicate complex information to stakeholders. This visual approach facilitates data-driven decision-making and fosters a deeper understanding of the insights derived from data analysis.